Alright, so we're looking at a pair of Yorkville Pulse 12M stage monitors, stage wedges, whatever you want to call them. When I got these speakers, they were not functioning properly. The tweeters had appeared to be blown. I cleaned them up a little bit, but they really sound really quite bad with no tweeters. Horrible, actually. Anyways, I decided to take this little panel off, and I'm quite thankful I did, because I realized there's a fairly simple to fix problem here. Well, two problems. The first problem is when you plug an input jack into these parallel inputs, you really have to wiggle it around to get the speaker to work. And I think that happens just by, the way these speakers are designed. The speaker cable comes out of the side, and I think people step on them and trip over them and all that kind of stuff. So actually, getting back to this first very easy fix, you'll notice I have a package of RV dome lights here, or any automotive bulbs. This is the bulb that came out of there. As you can see, she's burned out. So put a new bulb in there, and wouldn't you know, fired that speaker up, works perfectly. Now, the second problem, so let's look pretty careful, get this camera to focus. Let's look pretty carefully at these input jacks. As you can see, right there, that contact is busted off the circuit board, or the solder joint has failed. If we look at the other side, same thing. See, these solder joints have cracked there. So all I'm going to do is reflow these solder joints, and that should fix that, and I'll slap her back together, and I'll have two good stage monitors, stage wedges. Of course, these are older design. You have to use an amplifier. I've got an amplifier right here. I'm probably going to use this setup. I think it's going to work pretty good. And I also have a sub here that's working. Yorkville LS700. So I'm going to clean all this stuff up, fix it all up, and get her into the jam space. But anyways, that is two very easy, quick fixes that you can try when attempting to fix these old unpowered speakers. I think a lot of the time they're still in good shape, but this fix right here has a package of auto bulbs there, cost $2. So you fix these speakers for next to nothing. Alright, hope that helped. Take care.